Did I just pass 1 hour doing this look? Yes. Yes, I did. Hello everyone, it's Melly. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. If you are, please don't forget to subscribe down below. I will be very happy to welcome you into our little community. And today I have a very exciting video to film. I just received yesterday my palette, Jaclyn Hill X Morphe Volume 2. So I'm really happy. I didn't buy the first one, like I said on one of my last video, because at the time I didn't have the money and, you know, I just didn't buy it. But this one, when I saw it on internet, I was really drawn to it and I really wanted to try it. And yeah, I think that for Valentine's Day I treated myself with a little present. So I bought it. It arrived like really quickly. I was really surprised, but in the good way, obviously. The packaging is really like Jaclyn, you know, white. She like this sleek packaging. And here is the palette. I'm sure you know it by now because it's all over the internet. But here it is. I'm so happy I have it in my hand. Okay, first off, I know that people said on their video most of the time, oh, a surprise when I received the palette because the color really popped on the photo, and when I see it with my own eyes, I don't have this impression of vibrant colors. But I have to say I disagree. For me, I can really see that it's vibrant colors, so I am not disappointed with that. And I really want to do 3 looks kind of video. So what I have in mind is I'm gonna do one look with the more neutral color right here, and I want to do one with the purple and one with the red. It is really pretty. The only thing missing is the mirror, but I know that the price would have to change if there was a mirror, but the only thing missing, I like when there is a mirror in the palette, so I won't have to find another one. But that's just one, you know, one tiny detail. So if you want to see 3 looks with this palette, then keep on watching. So let's begin. First off, I'm gonna go for comfort zone, and I'm gonna put that on the crease. I put the pillowy base before doing the makeup. Then I'm gonna go with thick skin, and I'm gonna put it on the crease just with a more precise brush. And I'm beginning at the outer corner of the eyes. There is some fallout on the pen, so you have to be careful with that. I don't really mind because there is pigmentation, but just so you know. I want to go now with Homeboy, and I'm gonna place it in the inner corner and the outer corner. I want to deepen a little bit the outer corner, so I'm gonna use the black that it's called Temptress. I'm gonna place it a little bit as well in the inner corner. I'm gonna go with the Get Ready With Me, and I will go with my finger at the touch. It is really creamy and it's a beautiful color. Wow, that's so pretty. really pigmented. I barely touch in the pan and we can really see the result on the eye, and I like that, and that's what was missing from the Huda Beauty palette. Can you feel that I still have it on my throat? Oh god. Under the eye, I'm gonna go with Love Handles, this one. I really have to buy more brushes. Between the shades, like I said in one of my videos, I don't know which, but I'm using this, what it's called, dry brush cleanser to get the pigment, the eyeshadow off the brush so it appears dirty, but you know, there is no more product on it. I'm gonna go with the Comfort Zone again. With a thick skin. With a smaller brush, I'm gonna go with Homebody. I'm gonna put a tiny of the black Temptress. Like, as you can see, I'm leaving the center bare. I'm not putting the black. And I'm gonna put the color Get Ready With Me that we put in the center here as well. That is so pretty, I love it. And in the inner corner, I want to go for no, I think it's Talia. This gold. It's from Makeup Geek Nude Eyeliner. Okay, first look done. We're gonna do the second one now, and I put the mascara at the end. So on this eye, we're gonna do something completely different, and I want to use the pink. I don't know exactly what I'm going for, but we'll just go for it, right? I want to begin with the Dance Party here, and I want to apply it right here. Still have my pillowy base, like I said before. Now I want to blend the edges with the color Tipsy Girl, which is like a neon pink. I'm gonna connect the two with Loli Mama, another pink. Not sure about that choice. We don't really see difference when I blend, so I'm gonna go for Stay True, this one. I'm not sure it made such a difference between the color. I'm gonna begin to cut the crease, but just on the top for the moment. Can do it. Okay, now I'm gonna try to do a line of purple. I don't know if I will succeed, we'll see. For that, I'm gonna use Not My Journey. Now I'm gonna cut the crease again to make it more precise. Okay, I think it's the best that I can do. Now on my lid, I'm gonna use Therapy Sesh. I'm gonna use a moment in the inner corner. That's pretty. I don't know if you can tell on camera. I can see a difference in real life, but it's kind of close. We don't see it that much, I suppose, in the color that I put underneath. Okay, and on the other corner, I'm gonna use this purple Good Place, which is a shimmer as well. Under the eye, I'm gonna go with Stay True, Not My Journey right here, and maybe the neon pink, we'll see. I'm gonna take a little bit I Am In It. It's a white shimmer, but there is some pink reflect to it. Yeah, I can see the pink reflect, that's really pretty. You know what? I want to put it as well on my highlight. And here you have the second eye look. For this third look, I wanted to go on the sunset vibes. So we will begin with the color Living My Best, which is a red with a little bit of shimmer in it. And we apply that on the crease. Now we're gonna go with My Man, which is like a neon orange. And we're softly blending. We'll continue with No Joke, the yellow. I will go on the crease with Crazy. And now I will do a mix with Crazy and Temptress, then black on the outer corner. Now we're gonna go with the color Floated and Awayed, this one, and we'll place it on the lid except in the inner corner. I did a semi-cut crease, by the way, if you didn't notice. And in the inner corner, we'll go with Talia. For under the eye, we will begin with Living My Best, the red. Crazy. My Man. And a little bit of the yellow No Joke. And I'm going with this color again. A little bit of Talia. On my waterline, I will put the makeup, no, not Makeup Geek, it's Maybelline Master Drama, the nude. This one, I will put mascara and everything, and I will come back. And here you go, guys. This is the third look that I created with the Jaclyn Hill X Morphe palette. I had in mind this sunset makeup, and I think I did pretty good. I know it's not perfect. I'm not a makeup artist like I said before, I guess, but I just like to play with makeup. I put some false eyelashes. They are hard to apply, I have to say. They are harder to apply than the Makeup Geek one that I have, but I really wanted something more dramatic for this eye look. So I hope that you liked the video. If you're wondering what I have on my face, everything will be listed down below, so check that out. Leave a comment, tell me which look you like the best, and thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please like the video, share with a friend who loves makeup as well, and I see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye bye.